Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Why we read Quran in Arabic even we do not understand it? This is a beautiful story. An old American Muslim lived on a farm in the mountains of eastern Kentucky with his young grandson. Each morning, Grandpa was up early, sitting at the kitchen table reading his Quran. His grandson wanted to be just like him and tried to imitate him in every way he could. One day the grandson asked, "Grandpa, I tried to read the Quran just like you, but I do not understand it. And what I do understand, I forget as soon as I close the book. What good does reading the Quran do?" The grandfather quietly turned from putting coal in the stove and replied, "Take this coal basket down to the river and bring me back a basket of water." The boy did as he was told, but all the water leaked out before he got back to the house. The grandfather laughed and said, "You will have to move a little faster next time," and sent him back to the river with the basket to try again. This time the boy ran faster, but again the basket was empty before he returned home. Out of breath, he told his grandfather that it was impossible to carry water in a basket, and he went to get a bucket instead. The old man said, "I do not want a bucket of water. I want a basket of water. You are just not trying hard enough." And he went out of the door to watch the boy try again. At this point, the boy knew it was impossible, but he wanted to show his grandfather that even if he ran as fast as he could, the water would leak out before he got back to the house. The boy again dipped the basket into the river and ran hard, but when he reached his grandfather, the basket was again empty. Out of breath, he said, "See, Grandpa, it is useless." "So you think it is useless?" The old man said, "Look at the basket." The boy looked at the basket and for the first time realized that the basket was different. It had been transformed from a dirty old coal basket and was now clean inside and out. Son, that is what happens when you read the Quran. You might not understand or remember everything, but when you read it, you will be changed inside and out. That is work of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in our lives. If you feel this is worthwhile, please forward it to your friends. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, "The one who guides to good will be rewarded equally." Thank you very much for watching.